Does it ever feel like your finances are in a never-ending loop, always just out of reach? Maybe you work hard, but the money never seems to stick around. Or perhaps you're burdened by debt and worry, constantly feeling the weight of financial stress. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. But what if I told you that there's a simple, time-tested practice that could transform your relationship with money? It's not about complicated strategies or risky investments. It's about clearing away the unseen barriers that are holding you back from the abundance you deserve. This practice is called Ho'oponopono, and it's easier than you might think. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a gentle way to shift your energy and open yourself up to new possibilities. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of Ho'oponopono, how it can help with money, and most importantly, how you can start using it today. So if you're ready to take a step towards financial freedom and peace of mind, join me as we explore this powerful ancient practice. Your journey to abundance starts now. Imagine an ancient wisdom, passed down through generations, holding the power to transform not just your relationships, but your entire life. That wisdom is Ho'oponopono, a Hawaiian practice that goes beyond mere forgiveness. It's a pathway to inner peace, a way to heal old wounds, and a key to unlocking your full potential. At its core, Ho'oponopono is about taking responsibility. It recognizes that we are not just passive observers in our lives, but active creators. Every thought, every emotion, every action contributes to the energy we put out into the world. And that energy, whether positive or negative, shapes our experiences. Imagine your mind as a garden. If you neglect it, weeds of resentment, anger, and fear can take root. These weeds choke out the beautiful flowers of joy, abundance, and love that could be blossoming in your life. Ho'oponopono is the gentle art of weeding your mental garden. It helps you to identify and release those negative emotions, clearing the way for positivity to flourish. It's not about blaming others or dwelling on the past. It's about acknowledging your role in creating your reality and taking steps to make it better. Through simple yet profound practices, Ho'oponopono guides you to release the burdens you carry, to forgive yourself and others, and to make space for healing and growth. The beauty of Ho'oponopono is its simplicity. It doesn't require elaborate rituals or complex techniques. It's a practice that you can easily incorporate into your daily life, gradually transforming your inner world and, in turn, your outer reality. As you begin to practice Ho'oponopono, you might notice subtle shifts. Perhaps you feel lighter, more at peace. Maybe you find yourself attracting more positive experiences or attracting more positive people into your life. Or perhaps you simply feel a deeper sense of connection to yourself and the world around you. Ho'oponopono is a journey of self-discovery. It invites you to look within, to confront your shadows, and to accept your own capacity for love and forgiveness. It's not always easy, but it's always worth it. With each step you take on this path, you move closer to a life of harmony, abundance, and joy. Deep within us, we all carry stories about money. Some are empowering, filled with possibility and promise. But many of us also harbor limiting beliefs, those whispers of doubt that tell us we're not good enough, not deserving of wealth, or that money is somehow inherently evil. These beliefs, often formed in childhood or through painful experiences, act as invisible barriers, blocking the flow of abundance into our lives. They can manifest in countless ways. Perhaps you find yourself self-sabotaging your financial goals, making impulsive purchases, Or avoiding opportunities for growth? Maybe you're constantly worried about money, convinced that there will never be enough. Or perhaps you feel a sense of guilt or shame around wealth, believing that it's somehow incompatible with spirituality or a good heart. These money blocks are like heavy chains, weighing you down and preventing you from reaching your full potential. They keep you stuck in patterns of scarcity and lack, robbing you of the joy and freedom that financial well-being can bring. But the good news is, these blocks are not permanent. They can be identified, understood, and ultimately released. Imagine Ho'oponopono as a gentle solvent, dissolving those hardened blocks of negativity. Through the simple repetition of the 4 phrases, "I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you," we begin to cleanse our energy field of the limiting beliefs, fears, and resentments that have accumulated over time. With each repetition, we acknowledge our role in creating our reality, take responsibility for our thoughts and emotions, and seek forgiveness for the harm we may have caused ourselves or others. This process allows us to let go of the past, to release the burdens we carry, and to create space for something new to emerge. As we clear away the negative energy, we make room for positive vibrations to flow into our lives. We become more open to receiving abundance, to seeing opportunities that were previously hidden from view, and to making choices that align with our financial goals. Ho'oponopono is not about manipulating the external world to get what we want. It's about transforming our inner world so that we naturally attract the abundance that is our birthright. By healing our relationship with money, we open the door to a life of greater prosperity, joy, and fulfillment. At the heart of Ho'oponopono lies a simple yet profound prayer, a mantra that carries the power to heal and transform. It consists of 4 phrases: "I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you." Don't be fooled by their simplicity. These words hold a key to unlocking your financial abundance. As you repeat this mantra, focus your intention on clearing away any money blocks you may be carrying. Say the words slowly, deliberately, allowing yourself to feel the meaning behind them. With each repetition, you are acknowledging any negative beliefs or emotions you may have about money, seeking forgiveness for any actions that may have contributed to your current situation, and expressing gratitude for the opportunity to heal and grow. There's no right or wrong way to use the Ho'oponopono money prayer. You can say it silently to yourself, whisper it aloud, or even write it down. The key is to make it a regular practice, a habit that becomes woven into the fabric of your daily life. You may choose to repeat it in the morning as you set your intentions for the day, or in the evening as you reflect on your experiences. You might even find yourself turning to it in moments of stress or financial worry, using it as a tool to calm your mind and restore your inner peace. Like any skill, Ho'oponopono takes practice. The more you use it, the more natural it will become, and the deeper its effects will be. Consistency is key. Even a few minutes each day can make a significant difference over time. As you repeat the mantra, allow yourself to connect with the emotions behind the words. Feel the sincerity of your apology, the openness of your forgiveness, the depth of your gratitude, and the warmth of your love. The more you can embody these emotions, the more powerful your practice will become. Ho'oponopono isn't just a practice you do for a few minutes each day. It's a way of life. It's about cultivating a sense of gratitude for all that you have, even in the midst of financial challenges. When you focus on the good in your life, you open yourself up to receiving even more. Gratitude acts like a magnet, attracting abundance and prosperity. It's also about developing mindfulness around your thoughts and feelings about money. Pay attention to the stories you tell yourself about your financial situation. Are they stories of scarcity and lack, or are they stories of potential and possibility? By becoming aware of your inner dialogue, you can start to challenge and reframe those limiting beliefs, replacing them with empowering affirmations. Let's be clear, Ho'oponopono is not a magic wand that will instantly grant you unlimited wealth. It's a tool, a practice, a way of shifting your energy and aligning yourself with the flow of abundance. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort. And it's not just for a select few. Ho'oponopono is open to everyone, regardless of your background, beliefs, or financial situation. It's a universal principle, a way of tapping into the power of forgiveness, love, and gratitude that resides within all of us. So if you're ready to take the next step on your journey to financial freedom, remind yourself that Ho'oponopono is more than a prayer. It's a way of life, a path to inner peace, and a powerful tool for creating the abundant life you deserve. Your journey to financial well-being doesn't have to be a struggle. It can be a path of healing, growth, and abundance. The power of Ho'oponopono is at your fingertips, waiting to be unleashed. Take that first step today. Try the Ho'oponopono money prayer and witness the transformation it can bring to your life. Feel the shift in your energy, the lightening of your burdens, and the opening of your heart to the unlimited possibilities that await you. Share your experiences and let others know the joy of releasing financial blocks and accepting a life of greater abundance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for more empowering content. Let's create a ripple effect of positive change, one prayer at a time.